What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is Coach K with the number 2 video. I got 4 fingers up, but I mean 2, you know what I mean? So today we're doing another video about what if. And today's subject, what if, is what if I stop making excuses for my life? Yeah, that's right. So we're gonna visualize ourselves in the past making an excuse about something. And I think one that I'm gonna focus on today help you visualize exercise. A lot of people say they don't exercise because they don't have time. But I'm here to tell you, you always got time because you are always in control of your time. No one else can control your time but you. And if you think so, I'm pretty sure you're probably watching TV. You can be working out. You cooking. You can working out, or you doing whatever the case may be. There's always time. You don't have to work out all day. You can take 5 or 10 minutes out your day every day and walk, cardio, lift weights, hit the gym for about 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Just be consistent. So anyway, today's subject is about stop making excuses for your life. So what I want you to do, I want you to close your eyes. I want you to close your eyes, and I want you to take 5 deep breaths. So I want you to breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, and breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. I want you to repeat that 3 more times, or 2 more times, or 3 more times. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. As you take these deep breaths, it will help you relax. You'll feel the tense in your shoulders go away, or just get your whole body relaxed. So remember, keep your eyes closed. So next, what I want you to do now is to think of the excuse you said about you don't have time to work out. So I want you to close your eyes and relax and see yourself saying, I don't have time to work out. I want you to visualize it. I want you to see that this is what you're saying. So when you get that image in your head, I want you to turn it around. I want you to say to yourself, and you're looking in the mirror, you're like, you know what? I do have time to work out. I do have time to work out. In fact, I'm gonna go work out now. I'm gonna work out now. So visualize yourself putting your workout clothes on. You're getting ready. And now you're in the gym. Yep, you're already there, already. Yes. You're walking. You're on the treadmill. And you're already walking, already on the treadmill. Just walking. It's not too fast, not too slow, just a regular pace. You're walking. You feel your energy. It feels good. You just walking. Yes. You're doing it. Yeah. Yes. Enjoy that moment. Be there. Be there in your mind. Be there. Enjoy it. And now, what I want you to do next is wrap up, cool down off the treadmill. I want you to slowly relax and open your eyes. So tell me what you just did. I want you to drop a comment below this video, what you just did. So the whole purpose of this exercise is to show you that you have time to work out. A lot of people make excuses about they don't have time to work out. Well, you always got time to work out. But believe it or not, guess what you did today? You just worked out. Yep. You just worked out. Yes. Proud of you. Just yes. Because see, working out starts in here first. Yes. You have to visualize yourself doing it first. You have to get into the groove, get into your energy, your emotions, your body, your inner self, and feel that you're doing that what you want to do. Yes. So, congratulations. So remember, share this video with other ones or family and friends that need this video. Remember that have any questions, any video you want me to make, let me know. I'll be happy to help any kind of way, fashion, or form. Remember, always speak over your day. Every day, speak over your day. This is the day. This is the day which the Lord has made. I will rejoice and be glad in it. I will rejoice and be glad in it. I believe this is going to be a wonderful day. I believe I can successfully handle all challenges that may arise. I feel good mentally, physically, emotionally, spiritually, and financially. I'm grateful for all that I have, all that I shall have. Things will not fall apart. God's here. He is within me. He will give me strength to see it through. I thank God for every good thing. Peace. Butter jelly, peanut 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 butter jelly. Ow, yay, ow, yay, why,